Pacchero pasta stuffed with ricotta and tomatoes. With this dish, I wanted to play with a particular pasta shape. The pacchero, once cooked, will become a container. I place ricotta that has been dried and carefully drained, breaded, and then fried all together inside the pacchero. I add the tomatoes, in this case fresh tomatoes dressed with basil, so that I have a fresh, enhanced flavor. Although slightly acidic, it goes perfectly with the sweet filling, a result that comes from a little fat from the ricotta and the frying. It's a wonderful dish that can also be served as an appetizer. So let's get started. Carefully squeeze the ricotta with a cotton cloth to eliminate the excess liquid. Sift the ricotta so that it's smooth and velvety to the palate. We make an incision in the tomatoes and peel them using an easy trick. We place them in boiling water for 10 seconds and then in cold water. We blend the outer layers of the tomato. We strain the tomatoes, passing them through a cloth to eliminate the vegetable water. We cook the pacchero, respecting the cooking time precisely. To get a thicker crust, we bread it a second time without any added flour. After placing the pacchero in the fridge for 15 minutes, we fry it in boiling oil for a crunchier and lighter flavor.